Hi guys, thank you for stopping by at my channel. Today video I am going to make some grain sprouts, that is black gram, mung bean and the chickpea. So I am going to make these three sprout, and it is very simple and easy. It takes like 2 to 3 days. It depends on the temperature of your area. So first thing is to wash them with running tap water so that no dust, no other particles are with them. So after that, put some water in a bowl and leave them on your kitchen counter for to soak the water. Maybe half an hour or 1 hour is enough. So in this process they will soak some water. After that, clean again and take a damp kitchen towel and put in that towel and wrap with a rubber band so that they are not disturbed. So in this way I am going to tie all of these three grains with this damp kitchen towel and the rubber band. So once you have finished doing this, the second process is take a container and put a little bit of water, and it should not be more than half inch maybe. Then the strainer from which you have already cleaned, you can see now the water, it is a little bit water, not much. And then put the strainer on the top of this container so that the bottom of the strainer should not touch the water. Only the purpose is to get the moisture from the bottom, not to make them soggy. So then put all these three grains and just cover with another kitchen towel with a little bit damp, not the soggy one. In this way you can you have done this process, and after that leave it on your kitchen counter and wait for at least 2 days, 48 hours. It depends the temperature in your area. If you have the like 70 or above 70, they will sprout early. But in my area, the temperature is not so hot, so it will take time. So after 2 days, yeah, it means 48 hours. Here is the result, so I can show you now how much they have sprouted. So I'm opening one by one and you can see them. So you know the benefits of the sprouts. So when you sprout, then the so many nutrients are available to you. Well, those nutrients may be folate, iron, vitamin C, zinc, magnesium, and protein. And these grains are less starchy after the sprouting, and they are very good for the digestion. So you can see now this is the mung bean sprout, and they are ready. You can see the tail, every grain has a tail, so they are ready to eat. You can use them in your salad dressing, or you can eat them as a raw also. So this is the black gram, and this is not, I don't think that they are 100% sprouted. Some of them have sprouted and some of them has not. So I have to wait 1 day at least more so that they can sprout 100%. This is the chickpea, and the same position. It has not sprouted 100%, only 50% or 40%. So the result is that the smaller the grain, it will early sprout. As you can see, the mung beans are the first, then the black gram are second, and then the chickpea the third, because chickpea grain is bigger than all of them. So when you plan to sprout, you should keep in mind that if the grain is bigger, it will take more time. So I'm going to put these chickpea and black gram in the container, and I will leave them at least for one more day. So another thing I tell you about the sprouts that they are antioxidant, and some polyphenol is available when they sprout, and that polyphenol is they inhibit the process of inflammation. And sprouts cleanse the body, help in boosting your immune system, and the chlorophyll in sprout helps in removing toxins from your cells and help in digestion process. So now I'm going to put these again, and this is the third day. So you can see that they have the black gram has sprouted, but chickpeas is still needs one more day. But I will put all of them now in fridge, so they will sprout slow. The first I will eat the mung bean, then black gram. The third one will be chickpea. You can cook the chickpea if you like, and they will be also good, and you will have so many nutrients. So guys, I hope you like this video and you will also grow your own sprouts. And thank you guys. I hope that you will like this video and you will subscribe please, and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.